is about 62 times bigger than Goa. It can afford the pollution that will kill us.
When you are in truth, don't care for air.
Does not apply to the railway department. Don't you have to prove first that this land belongs to you? And unless it is done, can you dump mud near the gate of a house? How are they?
When you are in truth, don't care for air. He will help. When you are in truth, don't care. He will guide you. He will help you. Got it? But when you do some lies, he will never help you. Unless you are protected.
Hello?
Just look at the state of this road now. How are people going to walk? Now tell me.
You have told them.
You are fulfilling your bosses. There is no solution. What solution? He thinks that we are all fools.
No, no. They have told us to give. No, no. You didn't hear the judge. He said we submit on the 17th.
Provide the land. How much more land do you want? First of all, you are taking
We
so much
should
land.
provide
We
more
did not
land.
get your application.
And then later on again the people feel they need that land.
2 meters they require some land from us.
No, let me continue. Did your learned, Mr. Lawyer, Mr.
Are who?
PPC,
That
give us the
MLA, is he talking
application
anything?
which was submitted in 2022.
I'm sorry.
But we have not
Did he say anything? What about what is right and what is wrong?
So now you are putting the onus on the side of people.
whether X, Y, Z, see, we are not.
Now you're taking by force this land also?
That they gave it willingly, now they are taking forcibly.
No, what they're telling is railway have the land up to Kampu. And they will build their track in the railway land only, what they say. And if you want service road, they will
One
provide.
second, you're talking
Underpass, if you need, they will provide.
underpass. You want us to go underground.
No. To cross that line. Underpass.
But why we should live under such conditions? Karnataka is about 62 times bigger than Goa. It can afford the pollution that will kill us. No, this is height of what should I say?
Rejected coal.
Man, we are
Why
like
will
that.
come this? Now I was going out, we had told everything is stopped and I went
They
inside.
waited for us to go home and then they dumped this.
Yeah, we told also
How?
As soon as I got the information.
How
But in your
came
How
presence,
deceitful,
three trucks have been
very
dumped.
deceitful.
See, sir,
Sorry.
sorry to say this. You are also learned man. In your presence, these three trucks have been. You could have stopped it. No, you are a deputy manager.
And now he's telling
You are not a supervisor.
he told the other truck to be
Yeah,
dumped.
fix a date. Let us have a discussion. That is on 17. No, 17. No, 17. 17. So
by
wait
17th you all will bring it to this height.
So 17, what you will do? What will come and do?
But while you have that in between, can you go on doing this?
Yeah,
But had the ISLR
of course he has to study the documents. By the way,
Please
listen.
release the order.
No.
You have to wait.
Listen. I asked the judge. I went again and I asked the judge, where are the annexures to your application? And they were looking for it. He said, we will call you. They have taken my number, not mine, not mine, or two of my colleagues and my advocate. And they said they will call us because we have asked for the annexures. Application had several annexures, but in the file, even that application was missing. I'm telling you what is a factual thing, right? And this he has agreed that the file that your application dated some in 2022 is missing, and there are no annexures. So on what basis you have applied? Nobody is aware. And then the judge said, yes, we will give in the interim, but by 17, please give. We said in all of this we will give our objection.
But in the meantime,
But
take a
no. In the meantime, please, they have to arrange for the annexures.
Yes, arrange for the annexures. And
We have
take
only
a
the
break
cover.
in
We have
work
only the
that
cover
you're
letter,
doing.
which is 2 pages. Understand, no?
This is very deceitful. Very, very deceitful.
This gentleman also argued his matter, right? Did you get any annexures?
No,
Incomplete application.
Incomplete application.
There were no annexures.
No annexures.
When?
Now on the 17th when we go, we'll have to tell the advocate and we'll get the
Annexures
on
and
the
again
next
postpone,
subsequent-
again postpone.
And until the process is
Don't do the
You have to wait.
you have to wait. Don't you
You
know
have to
how the
wait.
law
No,
works?
you
I
see.
have to get it in writing. If you get me in writing, I will definitely
See, see, listen.
It's not
Without
the
that-
court
Listen,
is there,
listen.
or the-
No, no, you want to address letter to you?
No, not to me, sir. From South Central, if you, Southwest Railway,
court
if
has
you
already said.
We will do it. You want to go us to go to Hubli? We will go. If you want, we will go. Not an issue.
go and take an stay order and
We will see whatever is done. We have to do. We don't want to this. See, but the thing is, you need to stop this work.
Orville, he says, Orville, he said you stop the work if you go to Belgaum and
No,
do
no,
the
no.
things.
See, listen, man.
Can you do what you want on somebody else's land?
Because this is not your land.
This is not your land. This land does not belong to the railway. This is people's land. Here are the owners all along the road.
Listen to me. There is no equation in also. You agree or no?
Reverse action.
There is no. Huh?
there is no
They are trying to make us go round and round. Let
You
it
heard,
go
sir?
round.
There is no acquisition in also.
Cooking property.
So when there is, huh?
additional acquisition. There is no additional.
No, there was acquisition for four properties there at that corner, which has been dropped. After a lot of protest, it has been
Yeah.
dropped. You know
We've
that.
been fighting this not now.
You all only have, you all have agreed that you all don't have documents from Majorda to Vasco.
Exactly.
In your application, you all have said
You all have
partially you
said-
don't have.
In the application, it is written.
Railway has said again and again we have no documents. And without documents, how can you come here and just
And you're
dump
coming
mud
with police
wherever
to
you
frighten
want?
the public.
Railway is not saying that it doesn't have documents. It is
No,
only
no,
showing
application
no,
states.
no, no.
Application states.
No, no, you're
Your
wrong,
application
you're
is
wrong.
that there is no promulgation has done. We are applied for that. The same thing we have applied for that.
Look, please get this into your head. This land also belongs to our people from the village. It belongs to the
It was
village.
never sold, never
It was
acquired.
never sold, it was never acquired.
Acquired, nor
Yeah,
gifted.
it is not promulgated.
Okay? So don't think that this belongs to y'all. But because it was being used for the Mashila for a long
How they
time,
got without notice?
See, you'll finish your
it was
process,
allowed
then
for
you'll
the
do
first
your
time.
work.
But they are doing without procedure.
Without no procedures are followed, you all are just doing the work. We are
They are
saying it is
putting
our land.
everybody into inconvenience with their actions.
No, tell me one thing, the law does not apply to the railway department? Don't you have to prove first that this land belongs to you? And unless it is done, can you dump mud near the gate of a house?
SWR
How are
was
they
not
going to move in and out? They have little children here. Here. How are they going to move in and out? How is that vehicle going to come out now? Please tell me. No, you tell me, please. How should the vehicle come out? I'm waiting for an answer.
For that, we have to sit and discuss.
Discuss. What you going to sit and discuss?
You
What
get
you
the
going to
solution
discuss?
first and then you
break,
do your work.
break the compound wall?
First solution,
Yeah.
find
And
for them.
there is one more. What shall we do there? When the vehicle comes out and reaches there, what shall we do?
See, first of all,
Understand one thing.
No, I don't have to understand anything. You have to accept the truth.
They should survey the
Truth
area
is
first.
that
This land
this
doesn't
land
belong to you.
does not belong to the
You do
railway.
not have title
It
documents.
is
Very
private
simple.
land. It is private land. It is in the name of the owners who live along the road. And y'all are robbers. Y'all are robbing our land.
See what has happened now. This is we have been using from time immemorial.
first of all, you're
Okay.
creating a nuisance in the
My father had a vehicle
At least you first saw
in the
problems
60s
of the
and he used to
village.
drive along this way.
That is the
I have
next
pictures.
Government.
I have pictures of this car, my father's car, in front of this house here.
We are struggling for the deal.
This is my father's house, my
You
ancestral
know,
place.
people
So
expect the government
don't think that this was
to
not a
set
road.
a good
We have
example.
got a
But our government
photography evidence
seems to
in the
want
60s.
to show the people
Politica,
how
your
to
dad
be
is there.
devious.
Your father-in-law, my father, all are sitting here. And so don't.
This is not correct.
Show me
Where
where
is
is
it
notified.
said that it has
Where
a-
is, show me. Do you have Form 1 and 14 for this?
That is what we have applied for now.
applied
Ah,
now?
applied for.
You
Has
see,
the government, see, we are also this.
Railway is
Okay.
using this land, not recently, sir. It is
Who is using this land, my dear? We are using this land, for heaven's sake.
this
we are
land is
using
My
this
father
land.
had
Our
car from the
cars are moving
1960s.
up and down.
My father had a car from 1960s. Ask any of these gentlemen
From centuries, railway is using this land.
How they can use?
They can use.
What are you talking? You are from now. Before I was born, my father had cars here.
Are you talking from the
Shall I show a photograph to produce evidence that we are using this area?
The very fact that the matter is in the court,
Huh?
it means you don't
You
have
don't have the title.
If
Why
you,
have you got
if
the
you had the
court?
title, then
Because you don't have ownership of this land.
you're only using this.
You are using this, using even this.
And even this, they don't have ownership.
Yeah, they don't have ownership even for this
This,
land.
you don't have ownership.
It's very easy, but you,
Look, we know this. I was a minister. I hate to have to repeat this. Okay? And I have discussed this issue several times, including with Mr. What's his name? Sahu. And Mr. Sahu has told us very clearly that this was just a trap. What is
See,
it?
we have written history of books on this village. We can
This
produce
was
this.
a small pathway that was being used to carry the mashila. What is the mashila? It's like a chair.
Palki,
where
palki,
four
palanquin.
people- Yeah, they used to carry that. That was it. Nothing more. Until today, it is in the name of the original owners.
Owners.
And you are telling lies that you have the ownership. This is what the government is doing, putting people who tell lies. Is it right to take people's land with lies?
now you tell me how this lady will take out the car if you raise this up.
It will come up to equal to this.
To this level. So it will come above the compound.
We'll construct a wall here.
Yeah. Oh wow! Really? No crime. Why don't you construct a jail?
Yeah, make a prison
He said take us and put us in some jail. No, it will be the same.
jailing wale.
What you talking?
They're going to
Who are we? Human beings, animals? Who are we?
Man khopri lock up it. Magi ek gate laye lock mare. Thing आता they did no. S bridge whatever.
So kind. You're going to build a wall.
Baina.
Baina. Gate kelno dene. Baina.
Oh, this is the height. They don't
That's
even
what
feel
they're
bad
going
to
to
tell
do
us.
later on.
I hope you know. Do you recognize us? We are human beings, not animals.
Even animals have rights.
Animals have their rights today.
More rights than us. That's why we got a verdict in that Mauliam case. Correct, sir? Hello? Correct, no? We have no enmity with any of these employees, because they are doing the dictates. But unfortunately, this
Is
is...
there anybody more ferocious? You need more ferocious. I wish I was there.
Where is bypass? Their progress.
See, what was
Further down.
See, earlier we had steps here. This is my grandfather's track. This is my grandfather's farm. And her house also. There were steps here, steps. The steps have been